Good day, and I'm going to guide you on how to navigate and understand the contents of our website called philscholarship.info. What is philscholarship.info? Philscholarship.info is also called Filipino Scholarship, and it is a website that have been developed in order to help Filipino citizens by providing them a reliable and collective information about scholarships available to all Filipino. Who will be the target audience? The target audience of this website will be the Filipinos who wants to study and pursue their educational goals. Now, I'll discuss to you the functionalities and the environment of this website. As you can see, we're navigating here at the homepage. The homepage consists of the header, this one, the main navigation bar, the scholarships navigation bar, the website's purpose, the gallery of pictures, motivational videos, the news, and the footer. Now let's go to the header. The header represents the name of our site, philscholarship.info, and our motto, find a scholarship that suits you. And then now, let's go to the main navigation bar. The main navigation bar consists of the Home tab, the Forum tab, the About Us tab, the Gallery tab, the Contact tab, the Scholarships tab, the Register tab, and the Login tab. As a note, when you log in your account, these two here will be hidden, and then a Logout tab will appear, like this one. And as you can see, the welcome guests here have been changed to Welcome Phil, and Phil me is an administrator, and the two tabs here have been hidden, and Logout is changed. Now let's go to the Scholarships navigation bar. The Scholarships navigation bar consists of 5 educational degrees: the doctorate, masteral, college, high school, and elementary. Now let's try hovering at the college. Now, 2 subcategories appeared. Let's try hovering at local and hovering at no age limit. As you can see, the list of scholarships appeared. Let's try clicking Land Bank of the Philippines. A pop-up appeared here. It consists of the name of the scholarship, the purpose of the scholarships, wherein it consists of the full description of that scholarships. Now let's try clicking More Info. When you click More Info, it will automatically redirect you to the page of that scholarship, this one. Let's try closing it, and let's try closing the pop-up by clicking the X here. Now let's go to the website's purpose. The website's purpose consists of the website's purpose and what we intend to solve, our solution to the problem. Then this, the gallery of pictures. The gallery of pictures consists of different people who are the target audience of our site and currently excelling in their chosen field of knowledge. This gallery also shows some motivational quotations from famous people, this one and this one. Now let's go to the videos. The videos will show you different scholars who have been interviewed during the study. This the news. This shows the current news about the education in the Philippines. Let's go to the footer. The footer, this shows you the copyrights area of the website and some favicons that can redirect you to the website's account on Google, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Now let's go to the Forum tab. As an administrator, I could also create a category, but if you are not an administrator, you can only create a topic. But if you're a guest, you cannot create a topic nor can create a category. Now let's try replying to one topic. Let's try saying thank you. Now it's the submit reply. Then you can see your reply has been saved. Check out the topic. On this one, your reply. Then let's go to the About Us section. This tab will show you what is our website all about, the website, and the website's mission. Now let's go to the Gallery tab. The Gallery tab, this will show you pictures that have been captured during the campaign drive of the website inside AMA Computer College Parañaque campus. Now let's go to the Contact tab. This tab will show you the address that have been used to contact the administrator of this website, or you can also contact us directly by filling up this web form. Now let's go to the Scholarships tab. The Scholarships tab consists of the full list of scholarships that we have gathered during the study. Then let's start clicking Log Out here because the tutorial is finished. And now we're already logged out, and it automatically redirected me to the home page. Thank you for listening and hoping that you will support our website. Thank you.